Hello everyone, in this video I'll share with you a couple of ways I use Chatgpt to help me improve my text, improve just correct grammar maybe. So it has a lot of capabilities that Grammarly has and shares with ChatGPT. I think there's a lot of things. One or two things I think Grammarly has that ChatGPT doesn't have. But I think overall ChatGPT is you can use. You don't have to upgrade to use the plus. You can also use the. You don't have to pay for the plus version, and the Grammarly is $30 per month. So and I think you have more freedom. Let's put it that way. If you use ChatGPT, let's say you can ask ChatGPT to correct text. You can uh, just write a text about life. I don't know. And then you can say, write this text in a more informal way. Write it or correct this text, or make this text more funny. You don't have these options with Grammarly. And that's obviously just my personal opinion, but I think there's more freedom with Grammarly. And let me know your thoughts in the comments section. I'm really curious to read your thoughts, to read your opinions, guys. So please let me know in the comment section. Now you can write, paste your text here, and then you can say, make this text more informal, maybe, or make this, or you can also like write this text like Snoop Dogg wrote it. I think you have way more options, and you can play around with that. That's life on crazy journey. Yeah. I think it's pretty cool. You can check for grammar mistakes and even more. Like there's only a couple of things. Um, like you can also say, write this text in more, or no, add to this text some jokes and make it really funny. This helps me also with my English a lot. Obviously, I'm not a native speaker, and I think it can help you a lot. You never know what crazy obstacles are gonna throw your way by dealing with screaming stuff. I'm not gonna read that part. I'm pretty sure you might agree with me. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section. But I think you have more freedom. That's more capabilities, more options with ChatGPT. That's the only argument or the only thing I like about ChatGPT. So thank you guys for watching. I really hope you found this short video helpful. Thank you and take care.